I have lost my 3 years in UPSC journey. What next? So here UPSC have taught me a lot of patience, a lot of discipline, to be a consistent. I got a lot of knowledge which as an Indian citizen we should know about it. I improved my communication and many more. So I have lost my 3 years in UPSC because I have started my journey very late, and due to that reason I didn't qualify. I have given only 3 attempts, from which I started my UPSC journey when I was at 28 age, and right now I don't have my age limit. So what should I do now? The life has not ended. The path is not over. UPSC was the destination, of course, but the journey still is going on, and we have to go on. Here I am very much motivated here. I don't have any regret about it that I didn't qualify it. I wasted my 3 years. No, not at all. I don't have any regret on it. Here I would like to inform you, you can say, or suggest you can say, whenever you are starting at very late age, just set a plan B, because 99% you do a hard work, but 1% is still a luck. If your luck factor is not with you, then you can't do anything, even though you are doing 99% hard work. I would suggest here just keep a plan B. You just upgrade your some skills and take this decision to do the preparation at very late age. Now here, what is the career option? Because now I don't have age limit, so I have a huge gap of 3 years. So what should I do now? So here the thing is that yes, of course, I have no network connection. I have no skills right now. So we have to start it from scratch. It's okay. It's okay to start it from scratch again. It's okay to be delayed. So now there is many career options here. You can be a good tutor, you can be a good content creation, you can get a private job, you can be a social worker, you can be a counselor, you can be a mentor, and many more. You have an option. So the life is not ended here, and I think so we should not feel regretted on it. So let's see how our journey goes on. And if you need any kind of suggestions in part of the career, those who have failed a lot of attempts here and now they are in the dilemma what to do the next, so you can connect me personally. Definitely I will try my best to give you counseling, to give you career guidance, because I'm also starting, but I have already done a job before I have left. I have started the UPSC preparation. I'm having a little backup, and I will restart it again from scratch, and I will update you that what I have done and what I'm going to done. See you soon. Till then.